Hi everyone, here is Mohsin from Petronics. So this video is about call tool integration with the Podio. So call tool is basically used for cold calling purpose, and if some of the agent make a call to your contact loaded in this system and he consider that that contact may be a lead and he want to move that contact inside the Podio so that they can do further follow up with that lead. So this is very single, it's a simple process. You just need to open the contact to which you want to move inside your Podio system. Once the contact is open, you can check the information is filled properly, and at the bottom there will be a button move to Podio. So once you will click on this button, it will open a web form with all the data fill up in it, and you can see that this whole information is filled up in this web form. You can add information inside the empty fields and you can choose the file and you can click on this submit button. Once you will click on the submit button, it will create a new lead inside this seller leads app. So let me click on this button, move to submit button, and here you can see total 20 leads are present. If I refresh it, okay, so new lead has been created, Michael Van Winkle. Few seconds ago this lead is created, and this is the same lead that I have submitted from my call tool. You can see the name, first name, last name, and this is the phone number 914. So all of the information has been filled in the system. So if I again submit that form, the system will not allow me to create a duplicated lead inside Seller Leads app. So this lead is already present, and if I mistakenly submit that lead again, the system will not create another lead in this app. So you can see that no new lead is created in the system. So in this way, it prevents from the duplication creation on the base of the phone number. So basically phone number, if the lead with this phone number already present in this system, it will not allow to create a duplicate lead. So this was all about the integration of call tool with the Podio. If you need this type of integration, you can contact us at patonics.com. So thanks for watching this video.